Welcome back to this amazing video. In this video, I told you in the last one, we will talk about coins we will invest together. And I have invested over 22,000 US dollars. I will show you later in which coin I invested. I switched it into some more coins, not only Bitcoin, also Ethereum, some other coins we talk about later. And I have also invested $1,000 in portfolio that we can check together in this further videos. So if you also want to invest, you can use my links under the video description. There you can get a bonus so that you have some coins for free. Absolute amazing, because when we think about we are investing in long term, also in Bitcoin, Ethereum or something else, when you bought now a coin and become a coin for free, this coin will be more value in the next few days, years, months. So the best benefit also for you. Links down below in the bio. But by the way, links for this also under my last video in the video description. There you get BINANCE bonus, there you can buy coins. Also you can use perfectly for Crow or Coinbase, also possible. We talk later about some exchanges you can use, and you can use so for the best value for you. And now the question is further, why I invest today? Because we see here the Bitcoin chart, and the last time Bitcoin chart was here, or Bitcoin is now actually here, last time when Bitcoin was at this point, it was over there in August. And what see we after that? We see a rally up to the upside to an all-time high. We all other knows this all-time high got a correction and also a new all-time high. And maybe, I say maybe, also this will possible soon in the next, I think, months, also possible. So it's definitely for me a good time to invest and to buy new coins or to get a new portfolio, as if you're new and also want to trade with cryptocurrencies. So first of all, we go to CoinMarketCap. This is a website you can use like Wikipedia. You can find all about coins, some information about this coin, the price from this coin, the market cap from the coin, how value has the coin, all important thing about this coin. And I show you now in which coin I will invest. Now you've seen here my mobile phone display. So you see one portfolio for me. I invested 21,000 US dollar. You see not only one coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Decentraland, Mana, Solana, ApeCoin, WeChain, One, Crow. These are all coins I invested right now. You see now I'm a little bit in minus, but I see it as a long term. And for you and together, I have made another portfolio. Here you see I invested 1,000 US dollar, and I think everybody has 1,000 US dollar at his bank account and can invest this and also earn profits over the next months, over the next years. And let us look together which way this portfolio will go in the next few months, in the next few years. So every video we can talk about this portfolio and can also see what profit we are making and which coin are performing good. So you can see here which coin I invested. I invested $900 in cryptocurrencies and $100 I leased in US dollar. Why I least do this in US dollar? Because I think it's also possible that we can broke up to 30,000 US dollars, and then I will buy more coins. So if we broke also down, I will invest few dollars from my $100 in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Crow, Mana, WeChain, ApeCoin, One, and so I can get a better price for the long time hold. So I think it's the best strategy actually in this right market situation right now. So let us go back. So screenshot this video, or also make a short break to see what coins I will buy. I also do it in the pinned comment, so you can use also the pinned comment and the video description. There you find all information about my strategy, and also you can use the links in the video description where you can buy coins. You can buy coins. You can go to Binance to buy coins. In the video description there are bonus link for you, so you get coins for free. You can also take Coinbase, also a very good wallet. Also crypto.com, I think it's one of the best, because there you get Crow token for free. Yes, you heard right, Crow token for free. Absolute amazing. Only with my link in the video description. And the other one is BYBIT. You know from the last videos where we trade, where we also get bonuses. And here you can also buy cryptocurrencies also with your credit card. So you don't need any other wallets, or you don't need some bank accounts. You can only use your credit cards, and it's absolutely easy for everyone. So definitely check this out, and don't forget to also subscribe the channel, that you never miss out one of the next videos. In the next videos we also will talk about our portfolio, what direction our portfolio will move, and also when we buy more coins and also when we sell these coins. So definitely check out, leave a like, and also I will see you in the next video, and see you, bye bye.